Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Logo Design. Today I will show you how to design a logo using the Line Segment tool and Shape Builder tool. Make sure watch to until the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the Line Segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line. Select a stroke color and increase the stroke thickness. OK, after that, select this line. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. OK. Now I will generate automatically other copies by clicking Ctrl+D many times. Now select all, and press Ctrl+C to copy, and Ctrl+F to front paste. Hold Shift and rotate, and drag it down. Perfect. After that, select the Line Segment tool. Hold Alt and Shift, and draw a line from this corner. One more from this corner. OK. Now select all, and go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. After that, click and drag. Perfect. Now select this, and drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. After that, select this. With the eyedropper tool, pick this color. Now select this, and go to the Gradient tool. Adjust the gradient way you want. After that, select the Type tool. Click and type the logo name. Hold Alt and Shift. Now select all and go to the Align. Select the horizontal Align Center from here. OK, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.